Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your video scaling on OBS Studio. So if you record your videos on the OBS Studio and it looks something like this with some black section, something like this guys. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how. Then I'm going to show you how to actually fix that. So what you want to do is to open up OBS Studio and you want to go ahead and ensure that you are under your correct, let's say, scene and your source is fine. Go ahead and click on settings. And from here, go down to where it says video on the left hand side and under the base canvas resolution, click there and ensure that you select a different resolution type. Now, this is actually happening because you select something which is larger than the actual monitor size. Now, in my case, I have multiple monitors here, one 4K, one is the normal computer screen here, and that's why it records like that. And that could be the case for you as well. So in this case, I recommend that you change the base resolution and leave the output to what it actually adjusts to as well. So both aspect ratios are the same. You're fine with your FPS right here to be 60. Click and apply, click and OK. And from here, you will see that it actually shows in your screen right here. So here you can go ahead and let's say adjust it. You can see that it actually has a little black section right here. So go ahead and adjust it like that. And you will see that it stops in the entire screen. Now, once you're ready, all you have to do is simply hit record right here on the OBS Studio. So start record. And let's say I'm going to say, hello guys, I'm going to show you how to record something. Yeah, let's say that's it. Let's stop the recording now. Now, if I go back to my folder now, guys, which I have the recordings in, you will see a brand new video. And if I play this video, you're going to see that the format, the size, the resolution looks absolutely perfect now. Have a look at this. Start record. And let's say I'm going to say, hello guys, I'm going to show you how to record something. Yeah, let's say that's it. Let's start. And as you can see, it is perfectly fine. The video is perfectly fine. Everything is showing normal and everything looks absolutely great. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple. Hope you found this useful. If you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching.